In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Sheets protection. If you need to make changes to a sheet or range that's currently locked, this process is very straightforward, as long as you have the right permissions in the file. I'll walk you through exactly where to click so you can remove an existing protection quickly and confidently. Start by opening your Google Sheet. Make sure you're in the spreadsheet where the protection has been applied. Once the sheet is open, look toward the top menu bar. This is where you'll find most of the file settings and editing options. From the top menu, click on Data. This opens a drop-down with several spreadsheet management tools. The option you need is related to controlling who can edit certain parts of the document. In that menu, click Protect Sheets and Ranges. As soon as you do that, a panel will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. This panel shows any protections that have been set up in the spreadsheet, whether they apply to an entire sheet or just a specific range of cells. Next, click on the sheet protection you want to remove. Be sure to select the correct one, especially if there are multiple protections listed. Taking a moment here can help you avoid removing the wrong restriction. When you select it, the details for that protection will appear in the panel on the right. Now look in the top right area of that right-hand panel. Near the description field, you'll see a bin icon, which is the delete option for that protection rule. Click on the bin icon to begin removing the protection. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you want to go ahead with this change. This is useful because removing protection means people who have edit access to the spreadsheet may be able to modify that sheet or range more freely. To finish, click Remove. That finalizes the action and deletes the protection from the selected sheet or range. Once that's done, the protection is gone, and the sheet should now be editable according to the file's normal sharing permissions. If the option to remove protection doesn't appear for you, that usually means you don't have the necessary access to change protection settings, so you may need to contact the file owner or whoever created the rule. And that's it. That's how to remove Google Sheets protection quickly and safely.